Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie Haircut. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. Today I am showing you the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast. I give you a brand new hairstyles, haircut and hair dye color ideas. Short bob haircut, short pixie bob haircuts, long pixie haircuts, over 50 women, 60 women haircuts and hairstyle ideas. All designs are so gorgeous, so fabulous and trendy. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos. Friends, today's video has very stylish USA girls, American girls, Italian girls haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media account, share it with your family members so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends, will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love these haircuts. Save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and you will never miss any collections, any videos of my channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me, bring to more useful content and more useful videos for you. Guys, I have uploaded different haircuts, different hair design ideas. You have new ideas of haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Amazing, very stylish plus size short bob haircuts, short pixie bob haircuts, long bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. If you are a businesswoman or as a house of these haircuts, you look very beautiful. I hope you like my videos today. Please subscribe my channel and share my video with family members. Today you will see in this video solid hair color ideas, very outstanding. You can see this new short bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Friends, you must watch my full video and take a screenshot whatever haircut or hairstyle you like. After taking a screenshot, you can save it to your mobile and whatever you have haircut or hairstyle you are here. By showing this picture, you can get your haircut from beauty salon in your area. Dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with family members. Most trending, very stylish short bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas, which is about the latest trending, very stylish, gorgeous and stylish bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Please subscribe my channel and share my video with family members so that you do not miss any hair cutting and hairstyle designs. So if you want to get pixie haircuts and hairstyle ideas, I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos with family members. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You can get amazing ideas of different haircuts and hair design ideas and hair dye color ideas. Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back to again my YouTube channel.